Some cool gadgets can definitely change lifestyle, or they can make your life fun. Therefore, in this video, we're going to talk about 23 gadgets that you will enjoy having. Without any further ado, let's begin the video. Number 1. Door Guard. This door guard fills the gap underneath doors, keeping bugs out. Made of rubber and washable fabric, it not only protects bugs, but also dust. Plus, it saves energy by keeping the AC air inside. It's 36 inches long, adaptable to your needs. Hey, let's move on to the next product now. What are we looking at? Number 2. The digital LCD voice talking alarm clock. This alarm clock's not your ordinary one. It talks too. It projects the time onto your wall or ceiling with its LED wall ceiling projection feature. Plus, it tells you the time out loud. And guess what? It even shows you your room temperature. One clock, many perks. Number 3. Book Locker. If you need to go somewhere or have guests over and want to keep your cards and jewelry safe, this book-shaped locker box could be really handy. It's made of stainless steel and plastic. Its unique book design keeps it incognito. Nobody would guess it's anything other than a book. It's made of zinc alloy, so breaking it is tough, and it doesn't require keys. Hey, let's find out about our 4th product. What's next? Number 4. Outdoor Solar Lights. These outdoor wall lights are powered by both solar and battery with an 1800 mega amp hour battery capacity and made of ABS material weighing just 199 grams. You can use these lights to illuminate your porches, decks, or garage doorways. Simply place them under direct sunlight for charging, and once fully charged, they provide a battery backup of 8 to 12 hours. No need for any wiring during installation. Moving on, number 5. Wireless mouse. In today's era, it's hard to imagine getting anything done without a phone or laptop, right? Well, that's why we thought of adding this wireless mouse to the list. You can easily find this wireless mouse from Robotics on Amazon. This mouse comes with the usual 4 buttons, left, right, scroll, click, and a DPI switch. And you can easily switch between 800, 1200, or 1600 DPI optical. Let's see what's in store on the 6th product on our list. Number 6. Phone/laptop/fingerproof screen cleaner. Hey, when you're talking about modern gadgets, how could we forget this one? It not only cleans your TV's LED screen, but also removes all those pesky bacteria. It comes in a stylish spray bottle, giving it a modern and cute look. Plus, it includes a protective shell, a clean shell, and an internal bottle. This could prove to be quite useful, so make sure to grab one. Up next, number 7. Photo frame hooks. If you often avoid hanging photo frames on your walls because you want to steer clear of wall drilling, then this set of hooks might be just what you need. These hooks can be easily attached to your walls without drilling, allowing you to hang your clothes, photo frames, calendars, or any other essentials effortlessly. Made of stainless steel, they can hold up to around 10 kilograms of weight. Let's talk about the 8th product of the day. What's up next? Number 8. The multi-screwdriver 8-in-1 with LED portable torch. This product could be quite useful for you. This multi-screwdriver with a portable LED torch is made of plastic and it's easy to carry. It can fit right into your pocket. You can use it 8 different ways and it'll come in handy for day-to-day fixes. Plus, its torch can help you fix screws even in low-light areas. Number 9. Foldable wardrobe. This is a foldable wardrobe where you can easily organize your clothes, toys, books, and many other items. It comes with numerous fabric shelves and a steel structure weighing approximately 3.4 kilograms. This well-stitched shelf is available in different colors, and it also features side pockets, increasing its storage capacity. With 4 wheels attached, it can move in all directions, making it convenient to shift around. Number 10. Smart Touchless Motion Sensor Absorption Trash Can. This trash can is not just attractive to look at, it's also incredibly useful, hygienic, and easy to operate. It automatically opens its lid when objects come within 15 to 25 centimeters of it, and it closes itself 5 seconds after the object is removed. You can place it anywhere, and everything around you will look much cleaner. Number 11. Sandwich Maker. Who doesn't love a good sandwich? They are absolutely delicious, aren't they? And if they can be prepared in minutes, what could be better than that? This sandwich maker can fulfill this desire of yours. With its help, you can make multiple sandwiches in one go, which are cooked perfectly and come out in perfect shape. It operates at 700 watts with a pop-up option. Moreover, its non-toxic ceramic coating not only prevents excessive oil usage, but also prevents it from burning. Number 12. Bottle Warmer. This sleek gadget heats bottles to perfection with just a tap, ensuring every sip is at the ideal temperature. With its intuitive digital display and speedy warming, it's a game changer for busy parents everywhere. At number 13, the self-adhesive tissue paper roll holder. Building a home requires a significant investment for a middle-class individual, and often, even after the home is built, there are some things missing. It's possible that your bathroom might lack a toilet paper holder. So this is a perfect wall-mounted product for setting toilet paper rolls. Made of 304 stainless steel, it requires no drilling or damaging of walls for installation. Just mount it on a smooth surface like tiles, metal, glass, or laminates. Number 14. Fisker's Weed Puller. Sometimes unwanted plants pop up in the garden like uninvited guests, right? Well, these unwanted plants not only ruin the garden's look, but they also harm the soil fertility. So it's best to remove them as soon as possible. While pulling them out by hand can be difficult. That's where a perfect weed puller comes in. To use this gadget, just place it on the plant you want to remove. Operate the weed puller with your feet. With a swift pull, the unwanted plant will be uprooted. This gadget is essential because it removes plants from their roots, preventing any impact on the soil. And who wouldn't want such an easy-to-use gardening gadget? Number 15. Water-absorbing mat. Step onto luxury with the Momo Lifestyle Stone Bath Mat. Crafted from smooth, natural stones, it transforms your bathroom into a spa oasis. Its unique design not only adds a touch of elegance, but also provides a soothing massage for tired feet. Elevates your daily routine with this indulgent must-have. Number 16. Gardenia Salino City. The Gardenia Salino City is the ultimate robot for your garden that's capable of handling various tasks in any season. Yep, you heard right. Whether it's trimming extra grass or cleaning snow, this robot takes care of it all on its own. You just need to charge it for the right amount of time and fill in the area in the accompanying phone application where you want to use it. And that's it. It'll handle the rest on its own. Its customizable height and width settings make your job easier, and this robot will ensure your garden is clean. Just set it up and forget about it, because it will keep your garden clean while respecting its boundaries. Number 17. Men Slim Wallet. The Zitali Men Slim Wallet is more than just a wallet. It's a sleek statement of style and functionality. Crafted with premium materials and a slim design, it effortlessly fits into any pocket without the bulk. With ample space for cards and cash, it's the perfect companion for the modern man on the go, blending sophistication with practicality seamlessly. Number 18. Gerber-free Scape Camp Saw. This gadget's your ultimate companion for outdoor adventures. With its innovative design and durable construction, this saw makes light work of cutting through branches and logs. Its compact size and folding blade ensure easy portability, while the ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip for extended use. Number 19. The X-Clip Keychain Set. This GPCA X-Clip Keychain set's your everyday carry essential redefined. Designed for convenience and durability, this sleek keychain set keeps your keys organized and accessible at all times. With its innovative X-Clip design, it securely fastens to your belt, loop, or bag, ensuring your keys stay put while you're on the move. Number 20. The Ring Gen 3 Horizon. This sleek and stylish ring discreetly tracks your sleep activity and overall health, providing valuable insights to help you optimize your well-being. With advanced sensors and personalized guidance, it empowers you to make meaningful lifestyle changes for better sleep, recovery, and performance. Number 21. The Buoyant Personal Locator. This gadget's your ultimate safety companion for any adventure. The Buoyant Personal Locator packs cutting-edge technology into a compact design, ensuring you're always prepared for the unexpected. With its built-in GPS and digital display, it provides precise location information and peace of mind in emergency situations. Number 22. DJI Action 2 Dual Screen Combo. The ultimate tool for capturing life's most epic moments. This compact powerhouse features dual screens for effortless framing and monitoring, allowing you to capture every detail with precision. With its ultra-smooth stabilization and high-quality imaging, it's perfect for everything from adrenaline-fueled adventures to everyday moments worth remembering. And number 23. PurePort USB-C Multi-Tool Phone Cleaning Kit. This is your go-to solution for keeping your devices sparkling clean and germ-free. This compact yet powerful kit combines convenience with effectiveness, featuring a USB-C multi-tool that doubles as a phone stand and a microfiber cloth for streak-free cleaning. With its antimicrobial properties and easy portability, it's perfect for on-the-go use, ensuring your phone stays fresh and sanitized wherever you are. So which of these did you like the most? Let us know your answer in the comment section below. And once again, all the links are in my bio, so don't forget to check them out.